When you feel shaken, when you feel upside down, take the rope of hope and tie it to the one who is faithful. Amen? Not your feelings, not your performance, not your circumstances. Tie your hope to Jesus. Amen? Why? Because He will never let you down. Amen? So, eto po, malapit na pong matapos ang taong ito. As we wrap this year, we can raise our hopes. We can still expect good from God. Amen? Hindi po tayo katulad sa mundo na matatapos na yung taon pero wala na. May plot twist ka pa. May December pa oh. At kung di mo man makuha sa December, bakit may 2026 pa? Amen? Be expectant. Diba? Joyful expectation nga. Confident expectation of good. Amen? Hindi dahil easy yung life, magiging easy siya, but because God's got you. Amen? Whatever you're facing, tandaan mo, He's holding on to you. You are double-held.